Paresh Baisya and some Bora, Nandesar Bora, they have been represented by the DLS, District Legal Service lawyers, and they have also filed bail application on their behalf. And our government advocate, the PP, has raised objection, and he seeks time for filing of objection to the bail application. And there are lots of petitions filed by the different for Siddharth that they are seeking to appear virtually from Kolkata, and they are seeking many more relief from this court. And for all those petitions, our PP sir has raised his objection, and he will file written objection on time. And next date is fixed on 17th January 2026. On that day, virtually the accused will be produced, and if possible, I am saying that if possible, because it's a voluminous case. 12,000 pages charge sheet. One PP is there. That PP is what do we say? This is as loitering from one court to another court, because there is two court and one PP is there. It's a voluminous case. How can he go through all the documents? 12,000 papers. Can one PP go through and file objection? It's quite impossible. And our demand to the government of Assam to establish a dedicated special fast-track court which will take this case day-to-day basis. And we are demanding, with the Lawyers Association Guwahati is demanding, that a team of special PP should be deployed in this case, so that in the true sense, the truth shall come out, and justice for Zubin Garg will prevail this much. Thank you. Yeah. Accused are appear virtually from their respective jails. Yeah.
When is the framing of charge is expected?
No, framing of charge is scheduled on 17th this month, 17th January. But I do not think that would happen in this today's present scenario, because we have only one PP and he cannot go through all those papers. It's really impossible. If government will listen to us, if they will constitute a full court, the designated court, and they appoint some advocate special PPs, not less than 10, there should be a team. So then only something can be done.